Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Speaking, the podcast where you learn real English, step by step, in a calm, friendly, and easy way. My name is Sarah.
And my name is David. Hello everyone. It's great to be here with you today.
We're very happy you're listening.
Before we begin, please remember to subscribe to our channel, like this episode, and share it with anyone who is learning English.
Yes, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Alright, Sarah, are you ready to start?
I am very ready. I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. It's a very important one.
Today's topic is a question we hear very often.
A question people ask in many situations.
In class, at work, in an interview, or when meeting someone new.
And that question is, tell me about yourself.
Many English learners feel nervous when they hear this.
Yes, they think, what should I say? How long should my answer be?
But don't worry.
Today, we will make this question easy, comfortable, and clear.
Let's start with the most basic thing. Your name.
Alright, my name is David.
Okay, David. Nice to meet you, David. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
See everyone? That's already a good start.
After your name, you can talk about where you're from.
For example, your country or city.
Sarah, where are you from?
I am from New Zealand.
That's wonderful. I am from Scotland.
You can say, I'm from Canada. I'm from Kenya. I'm from Brazil.
Any country is fine.
Sometimes people also talk about where they live now.
Especially if it's different from where they are from.
That sounds nice. I live in a small town. It's quiet and peaceful.
You can say, I live in a big city. I live in a small town.
Now, let's talk about age.
This is optional.
Yes, you don't have to say your age if you don't want to.
But if you want, you can.
David, how old are you?
I'm 32 years old.
And I'm 29 years old.
Simple and clear.
Now comes an important part.
Your job or your studies.
David, what do you do?
I am a language trainer. I help people improve their English.
That's great. I am a graduate student.
What do you study?
I study communication and media.
You can say, I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I work in an office. I'm a driver. I'm a shop assistant.
Now let's talk about family.
You don't need to say a lot.
Just 1 or 2 sentences is enough.
Sarah, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have 2 sisters.
Are they older or younger?
One is older, and one is younger.
Nice. I have one brother. He's younger than me.
Now let's talk about pets. Many people like to talk about pets.
Yes, it's a friendly topic.
Do you have any pets, David?
Yes, I do. I have a dog.
That's lovely. I have a cat. Her name is Willow. She's very calm and sleepy.
Now, let's talk about things we like.
Let's start with food.
Sarah, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice dishes. I love simple, home-cooked meals.
Nice choice. My favorite food is grilled chicken. What about your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. It makes me feel calm.
Mine is green, like nature. My favorite animal is a dog.
Mine is a horse. They're strong and beautiful.
Hobbies are a great thing to talk about.
Yes, they show your personality.
What are your hobbies, Sarah?
I like walking, writing, and listening to podcasts.
Nice. I enjoy cycling, watching documentaries, and cooking.
You can say, in my free time, I like.
You can also talk about things you don't like.
I don't like very loud places.
Yes. I don't like waiting in long lines.
I understand.
Let's give some full examples.
Example 1. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from New Zealand. I'm a student, and I like writing and walking.
Example 2. Hello, I'm David. I'm from Scotland. I work as a language trainer, and I enjoy cooking.
Remember, you don't need to say everything.
Choose what fits the situation.
In class, talk about study.
At a party, talk about hobbies.
Now it's your turn.
Write 2 or 3 sentences about yourself in the comments.
For example, my name is underscore. I'm from underscore. I like underscore.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Speaking.
Keep practicing a little every day.
Don't forget to subscribe and share.
See you next time. Goodbye.